Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Breville Barista Espresso machine using an off-brand cleaning tablet and the Fanttik cordless vacuum. Let's see if it does the trick. Now let's get on to reviews, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get started. We have our Breville Barista Espresso machine, and we're going to remove the coffee grinds from the grinder and clean it out with the cleaning tablets. And this is just going to keep the grinder in better condition for long term. And also, if you have oily coffee beans, I feel like it cleanses. So what we're gonna do first is remove the lid, and we have to remove any excess coffee beans in here. Let's just turn this to unlock it, and you can just lift this up. So you see how there's extra in here. I'm gonna take some of these out manually. As you can see, there's a lot of leftover beans in there that needs to be cleaned out. So we're gonna use our Fanttik cordless vacuum that we reviewed yesterday. And so what we're gonna do is turn this on and then vacuum out the excess coffee grinds in here. I like to designate the special nozzle for this project, and it doesn't get used for anything else, so that we're not contaminating our coffee machine. Okay, since we're in the process of cleaning everything, I'm gonna take a paper towel and I just wipe this out to get the oils out. You could also just, if you have time, you can wash the whole thing and just let it air dry first before you put it back on. Okay, let's pop this back on. Lock it. We're gonna use the Grindz Go1 tablets, and it says to use about a capful for this size of grinder. And you just dump it in here. We'll put the lid back on. We'll turn our machine on. We'll just put this ramekin underneath to catch the grinds, and then I just manually hit the button in the back here to activate. Then we're gonna wipe the top out. I get all of the extra powder out first. Now we're gonna add the beans in to the top here, and you're gonna have to run a couple cycles to get the cleaning tablets out of the system. Okay, we're gonna remove that. We'll add the rest of our coffee beans. Lid on. That's good. So I hope that how-to review was helpful for you. In my opinion, the off-brand does just the trick. The Fanttik cordless vacuum is a definite must. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.